Finding the right tires for your Ford F-150 can feel overwhelming, especially with all the options out there. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. DynoFit OEM Lug Nuts. We have the DynoFit 14x2 OEM Lug Nuts priced at $37.78. What really caught my eye with these lug nuts is their one-piece construction, which offers added safety during installation. If you want a reliable and durable lug nut option, this is worth a serious look. Here's why these lug nuts matter for you specifically. They're designed to fit 2000 to 2014 Ford F-150 models and a few other vehicles, ensuring that they are compatible with your truck. Made from high-strength SCM 435 steel, these lug nuts are built to resist rust and corrosion, which is critical for maintaining the integrity of your wheels. With a conical 60-degree seat, they ensure a snug fit, preventing loosening over time, something you definitely don't want when you're out on the road. Plus, with over 300 units sold in the past month, the demand speaks volumes about their quality. Now, some people complained about the need for a hand wrench instead of an impact tool for installation. Here's the thing though, while it might be a slight inconvenience, this is a common requirement for lug nuts to ensure proper torque and avoid damage. If you're okay with using a hand wrench, these are still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you need dependable lug nuts that fit your Ford F-150 without hassle. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can be installed with a power tool right out of the box. For the price, they offer great value and peace of mind. Now, if the hand wrench requirement bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with a focus on tire pressure maintenance.
Product number 2. CDWT PMS TPMS Sensor. Let's talk about the CDWT PMS TPMS sensor, a 4-pack available for just $26.99. What I found impressive is that these sensors come pre-programmed, making installations a breeze. If you want to keep your tire pressure in check without fuss, this is a great option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These tire pressure monitors are compatible with various Ford models, including the F-150, F-250, and even some Lincoln and Mercury vehicles. They come with a battery life of 5 to 8 years, ensuring you won't be changing them often. The sensors are designed to withstand extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 125 degrees Fahrenheit, which means they can handle just about any weather conditions you throw at them. Plus, with over 300 sold recently, it seems like many F-150 owners trust these for their vehicles. Now, some users mentioned that they had issues with activation after installation. Here's the thing, while that can be frustrating, it's often a simple fix related to the learning process with your vehicle's system. If you're comfortable following instructions or have a mechanic to help you, these sensors will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-install sensor solution to monitor your tire pressure. Skip this if you're not willing to troubleshoot installation issues. For the price, it's a smart investment in your safety. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want to level up their F-150's stance. Product number 3. Rough Country Leveling Kit. Coming in at $47.95, the Rough Country 2-inch leveling kit is next on my list. What really stood out to me is how quickly it can enhance the look and performance of your F-150. If you want to get rid of that factory nose-down rake, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This leveling kit allows you to run up to 33-inch tires, which not only gives your truck a more aggressive stance, but also improves obstacle clearance for off-roading. The durable composite material means they won't rust or corrode, ensuring long-lasting performance. Plus, the smart bolt-on design makes installation simple, no strut disassembly required, which is a big time saver. With a solid reputation among off-road enthusiasts, it's hard to argue against its popularity. Now, some folks had mentioned that the kit might require additional alignment after installation. Here's the thing, that's pretty standard for any leveling kit to ensure your truck drives smoothly. If you're planning on modifying your truck, just factor in the cost of alignment.
This is perfect for you if you're looking to improve your truck's look and performance without a complicated installation. Skip this one if you're not ready to deal with potential alignment costs. For the price, it's a great upgrade. Now, if you want a solution that focuses on emergency preparedness, the next product is a must. Product number 4, the Dr. Rock Spare Tire Kit, which you can grab for around $26.99. What really caught my attention here is the level of convenience this kit offers for unexpected situations. If you want to be prepared for flat tires, this is something you should check out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit includes everything you need to lower, raise, and release your spare tire, which is crucial when you're in a pinch. Compatible with 2004 to 2019 F150 models, it's designed with automotive-grade steel, ensuring durability without weighing you down. The latest AutoFlex technology makes installation a breeze, which is something you'll appreciate when you're in a hurry. Plus, the sturdy storage bag ensures you can keep everything organized in your truck. Now, some users noted that the kit might not fit some configurations or cob styles. Here's the thing, it's important to double-check compatibility with your specific model. If you have a unique setup, this could be a deal breaker, but if it fits, you'll be glad to have it. This is perfect for you if you want to ensure you're ready for tire emergencies. Skip this if you own an F150 model outside the specified years. For the price, it's an essential safety tool. Alright, that was a handy option, but the final product is a strong contender to keep your tire pressure in check. Product number 5, we have the Aliexpress TPMS sensors, available for just $28.99. What really impressed me is how they come pre-programmed and can be activated easily after installation. If you're serious about tire safety, these are a solid choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. They work with a wide range of Ford vehicles, including the F150, and are designed to give accurate readings within plus or minus 1.5 psi. This precision is key to maintaining your tire health and fuel efficiency. Additionally, they can function in extreme temperatures, just like the previous sensors. With professional production quality, these sensors are made to last up to 5 to 8 years, so you won't be replacing them anytime soon. Now, a few people mentioned that they had difficulty with the learning process after installation. Here's the thing, just like with the previous sensors, it can be easily resolved if you follow the instructions correctly. If you're tech savvy or have someone to help, it shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want reliable and long-lasting tire pressure monitoring. Skip this if you're uncomfortable with possible installation learning curves. For the price, they are a smart choice for keeping your tires in check. So there you have it, 5 great options for maintaining or upgrading your Ford F-150. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Rough Country Leveling Kit because it not only enhances your truck's appearance, but also improves off-road performance. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Dr. Rock Spare Tire Kit if you're not certain about compatibility with your specific model, as that could be a hassle.